वाहिगुरु स्टूडेंट ऑफ 8th स्टैंडर्ड बच्चे वी आर डूइंग एक्सरसाइज 9.1. दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3rd, 4th and 5th. Similarly बच्चे in previous video I have explained the 1 and 2nd question how to calculate the simple interest and the compound interest. Similarly we have to do like this way question number 3rd and question number 4th. In the question number 3rd we have to find the amount after the 3 years, and question number 4 we have to find the compound interest. What is the compound interest? That is the total of the interest for each year. How to calculate the interest for the each year? That is the formula principal multiply rate multiply time divide by 100. See, this is the question number 5th. In the question number 5th, the question is Avinash borrowed 32,000 from his friend Gaurav at the rate of 8% per annum simple interest for the 3 years, and he lent this money to Vivek at the same interest but compounded annually. We have to find the gain. See, for Avinash we have to find that simple interest. He borrowed this money from his friend but at the simple interest. Principal given, rate given and time given, we can easily calculate the simple interest, that is 7,680. Afterward Avinash, in the question Avinash gives loan to his friend same rate and same principal amount but 3 years at compounded annually. So similarly, how we can find the compound interest? We can calculate interest for each year, and at the end we just add the interest for the each year. How we can find the gain? See, this is the interest that is paid by the Avinash, and this is the interest that is taken by Avinash from the Vivek. So what is the difference between them? 630.78. This is the gain for the Avinash for calculating the compound interest. Now question number 6th of exercise 9.1. In the question it is given here, find the amount and compound interest on rupees 18,000 annually. So principal is given rupees 18,000 and the rate of interest being 7%, rate of interest is given 7%, 12% and 14% respectively for 3 successive years. That means in each year, for first year the rate of interest is 7. First year we will use the rate of interest 7, second year 12 and third year 14. Time is given 3 years. We have to calculate the compound interest. So interest for the first year, which is equals to principal multiply rate multiply time, that is divided by 100. This formula we will use. So principal is given 18,000, rate is for the first year we will use 7%, time is 1. For the first year we are using 18 multiply with the 7, 1260. This is the interest for the first year. Now for the second year the amount of the principal will be changed. So for second year principal is changed. Principal amount is equals to whatever the principal will, firstly it will be changed 18,000 plus 1260. So this is the amount of 19,260 in the second year. This is the principal amount. So interest for the second year is equals to, similarly we can calculate principal multiply rate multiply with the time. 19,260 rate is given. Now we will use 12% for the second year. Multiply 1, divide with the 100. 1926 multiply with 12, that is 23,112 by 10. We will write in the decimal. So this is the interest for the second year. Now for the third year, again the principal is changed. For the third year, now principal is equals to previous year principal, that is 19,260 plus interest is 2311.2. So now principal for the first year, for the third year, that is 21,571.2. 21,571.2. So for the third year, we should calculate the interest at 14% rate. So interest is equals to principal multiply rate multiply time divide with the 100. Principal is given 21,571.2. Rate we can use 14 now. Divide with the 100. So its amount is, after calculating, 3019.96. This is the interest at the third year. Now what is the compound interest, which is equals to interest for the first year firstly we have to find the amount. So how we can find the amount? Amount is equals to, see what is the principal amount in the previous year? 21,571. So 21,571.2 plus 3,019.96, because amount is equals to principal plus interest. At the end of the year, principal amount is 21,571.2 and interest we will get 3,019.96. So it will be add. So our amount after at the end of the year, third year, that is 24,591.96. This is the amount of the at the end of the third year. Now what is compound interest? That is amount minus principal. Amount is calculated 24,591.16 minus principal amount. This is given 18,000. So we will deduct that amount. So compound interest is equals to 6591.16.